Hello Cancer sign, welcome to your monthly reading. So this reading is for the month of November for Cancer, Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus. So Cancer, hindi lahat ng Cancer maka-resonate sa reading na to. So takes what resonates and leave the rest. Cancer, cross-watchers, pwedeng kayo kahit hindi sila Cancer. Okay, so put yourself in a situation kung saan kayo naka-resonate. So Cancer, if hindi kayo naka-resonate dito, please do check your other placements, your Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus. Dahil pwedeng doon kayo maka-resonate at hindi dito. Or pwedeng mag-continue doon yung reading ninyo from here to there or from there to here. Okay, so however maka-resonate. So Cancer, let's see anong pwedeng mangyari sa inyo this month of November or in the near future. Titignan muna natin kung what is happening right now sa love life ninyo, Cancer. I'm going to pull oracle cards. Then, titignan natin sa tarot kung anong nangyayari ngayon. So, Cancer. Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus. Cancer, water sign. Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus. So, Cancer. Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus. Cancer. Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus. Music. Inspiration. So you might be inspired, Cancer. So let's see another oracle card. Cancer. Cancer, Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus. Nurture, compassion, and this is your nature, Cancer. Very nurturing person, very compassionate. So let's see. Okay, may bumaligtad na ata. Wala. Let's see with this cosmic insight. Liar. Be careful of someone sneaky. Liar. Oh my God. I can smell cheating here. So tingnan natin sa message, love message, oracle card. So, feeling ko you are dealing with someone na sweet pagdating sa'yo. Very compassionate, inaalagaan ka, very caring, and might be this person is someone who's giving you theme song. Tapos, yung pala, hindi lang pala ikaw yung ginagano niya, may iba pa. Let go of the need to control. Allow the situation to unfold naturally. Okay. Yun nga sabi ko, liar. Siguro, kala mo ikaw lang yung nag-iisa, pero yun pala, hindi lang pala ikaw yung ginagano niya. Hindi lang pala ikaw yung binibigyan niya ng treatment ng kanon. And feeling ko through this, parang napapansin mo to. Kasi parang you wanted to know the truth here. Let's see. What is happening right now, Cancer? What is happening right now? King of Swords. Aquarius. Libra, Gemini. Okay. You might be dealing with that person, okay? You might be dealing with someone. Kung makikita mo siya, para siyang tao na hindi ka kayang saktan. Para siyang tao na very responsible na person. and very sweet, very nurturing, and I think that very, very compassionate. And makikita mo sa kanya na parang hindi niya kayang gawin sa'yo yung lokohin ka. And nakikita mo even sa mga friends niya, could be sa family niya, na parang ang ganda pagkasama ito, parang very respectful or something like that. Tapos biglang, yun pala, merong lying. Okay, may pagsisinungaling dito. And I think you felt that, na merong something wrong. Okay? With the 8 of Swords, might be, ito palang person na to is naiipit siya sa sitwasyon. So, might be this person is confused. And, feeling ko dito, you are waiting for something. Naghihintay ka dito na parang, akala mo ibibigay niya yun sa'yo, pero hindi niya nabibigay. Might be, could be, commitment, could be ipakilala ka ba sa family niya, could be ipopost ka ba into public. It seems to be so right, pero napansin mo parang bakit parang naghihintay ako, bakit parang hindi niya ginagawa to sa akin. So I think yung cycle ninyo nitong person na to is nag-end because you decided, okay, because you thought that this person do really love you, and then napansin mo yun. I think meron kang decision dito. Hindi kayo nagkaunawaan itong person na to. May pinagreklamo ka na kasi meron ditong let go of the need to control, allow the situation unfold naturally. So may ikaw, nagsasabi ka na sa kanya na bakit hindi mo pa ako pinopost, or bakit hindi mo pa ako pinakilala sa mga friends mo, sa family mo, bakit parang ilang buwan na tayo, parang wala kong nakilala pang konti lang or something. So nagtatanong ka na ng ganun, siguro nagkakaroon kayo ng pagtatalo nito, and the cycle has ended. Might be you decided this kasi hindi na kayo nagkaunawaan, naghiwalay kayo ng person na to. Feeling ko may nagkaroon ng clarity dito na hindi lang ikaw nag-isa, kasi may liar na kasi dito eh. So let's see about what will going to happen this month of November or in the near future. Sana hindi lalakas yung ulan. Kasi, ito yung iniintay ko. Kanina pa malakas yung ulan. Tapos, ngayong wala ng ulan, magbabasa na ako. Bigla na namang umulan. So, ano yung pwedeng mangyari this month of November? Cancer, Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus. Cancer, Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus. Home, foundation. But with this home, building some foundation. Deception, temptation. Let's see. Different path. You are not on the same page with the person you have in mind. The direction you want to move into are different. So let's see. With this cosmic insight. Pasensya na, sinisipon ako. Intimacy, sexual chemistry, reminiscing. With the music, you're reminiscing, namimiss mo yung person na to, namimiss mo yung intimacy ninyong dalawa. And, kaya meron dito na let go of need to control. Okay. So, in this month of November or in the near future, I can see here that you really want this person. Maybe you are already asking this person, na feeling siguro ng person na to na parang kinokontrol na ako nito, na kilala mo na ako, parang magkailangan seryoso na tayo dito. Kasi Cancer are very much into family. Okay, they want na pag magkaroon sila ng relationship, gusto nila ito na yon, mabubuo tayo ng family, magpa-plan tayo in the future, magkakaroon tayo seryoso. So, they are this kind of signs. So ito yung gusto mo. Pag ikaw na, seryoso na to, parang ganun. But your person kasi dito, hindi lang ikaw nag-iisa dito. With the King of Swords, baka you never know, meron pala tong someone na nauna pa sa'yo. Kasi King of Swords is someone, a father figure, a husband figure. So it could also be like someone na meron lang talaga siyang iba, hindi lang ikaw nag-iisa. Okay, so you want to have some foundation with this person, na meron na kayong commitment, na kumbaga mangako na kayo sa isa't isa, na one day tayo na, parang ganun. And andun sa point na you really want, you are controlling, like almost wanted to let this person do something na hindi niya na nagugustuhan. Okay, like yung pakilala mo na ako, magmamadali ka na, nagtatanong ka na, palagi ka nang nagtatanong, nagmamasid ka na, or something ganyan. Kasi kumbaga nakakapansin ka na. But then, 'di ba sabi ko dito, nagkaroon kayo ng na-end yung cycle ninyo ditong dalawa. So you really miss this person. Through music could be, you miss your intimacy together. But the thing here, yung mga temptation ninyong dalawa. But the thing here is, hindi pa ako nakabunot ng card. Sabi nga dito sa oracle card, you have different path. Kumaga, iba yung gusto niya, iba yung gusto mo. Okay, hindi kayo pareho ng gusto sa buhay. Kumaga, example, para sa kanya, itong relationship ninyo is just for fun, or it's just for temptation, it's just for sex or something, okay? It's just for making love. Pero sa'yo, seryoso na. So, hindi kayo pareho ng path na gusto mong tahakin. So, let's see sa tarot cards. Cancer, future, or this November, Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus. Oh. Okay. Nainis ako sa ilong ko. Sorry. Anyway, you really miss this person. Nami-miss mo talaga siya because para sa'yo, nung nag-end yung cycle ninyong dalawa, kasi lie siya, may iba siya, or naglalay lang siya sa'yo. Para sa'yo, nami-miss mo talaga siya. You want this person talaga. You love this person talaga. And andun sa point na hindi ka na din sure na magkakaroon pa kayo ng communication because dahil siguro siya na mismo yung lumayo. Siya na mismo yung umiwas. So with this Moon card, so you are not sure anymore kung magkakaroon pa kayo ng communication with this Page of Swords kasi hindi na kayo nag-uusap. Hindi ka niya na kinakausap. So you are waiting, okay? You miss this person so much and you are waiting for this person to come back. Kasi you want na siya na talaga to build a home with, to build some foundation with. Seryoso ka talaga sa taong ito and seryoso ka sa mga sinabi niya. Kumbaga, umasa ka talaga sa mga pangako niya, sa mga sinasabi niya. But the thing here is, sabi ko nga, 'di ba? Naiipit siya sa sitwasyon with this Queen of Swords. Andito siya, King of Swords. So meaning, sabi ko nga kanina, this person could be like married, this person could be like committed, na hindi niya lang sinabi sa'yo. Kasi nga, ang para sa kanya is intimacy lang to. Making love, chemistry, attraction, and temptation. So may liar, may lie dito sa taong ito. It's more on intimacy. And yung nakaramdam na siya siguro na kinokontrol mo na siya dahil gusto mo nang maging seryoso talaga kayo. Doon na siya umatras. Sabi, parang naisip niya, teka lang, may asawa ko, wait lang, parang ganun. So, or may kinakasama ko or something like that. The problem here, Cancer, this is already your guidance. Wag na wag kang magpa-jaundice. Okay? Para lang na maangkin mo siya. Para lang na magkanak kayo. And para lang magseryoso siya sa'yo. Para mahawakan mo siya. Don't do that. Kasi, itong person na to, nangako lang siya sa'yo nang wala siyang balak na, wala siyang balak, natuparin to. Okay? Sa pagiging nurturer niya, compassionate, sweet niya, nagkakaroon ka ng temptation, intimacy, you thought that these are already true, pero it's not. May lying dito, may liar. So, this person might be ghosted you, kaya hindi ka na sure kung kakausapin ka pa niya kasi hindi ka na niya kinakausap eh. So, kasi may pinili na siya. Kaya, andito sa point na it's either ginost ka niya, iniwan ka niya at hindi ka na binalikan. Okay? And, kasi may pinili siya. Dalawa kayo, hindi niya alam kung sino yung pipiliin niya. And akala mo, o meron siyang meron lumandi naman siguro to sa iba, tapos may asawa pa. Kasi yun yung nakikita ko sa kanya sa pagiging ganito niya. Anyway, you might also be dealing with the same Cancer or Pisces here with the moon, or Taurus, but I wanted to say Leo, so might be Leo. Okay, you might have Libra in your chart or Taurus in your chart, Cancer, or you might also be dealing with Pisces, or you might have Pisces in your chart. So check your placements. Anyway, yun yung napansin ko dito that this person offer, okay, victory to someone else and not to you. And feeling ko you don't know about this kasi hindi ka na niya kinausap eh. So, hindi ka niya na kinausap after na end yung cycle ninyo. After nakaramdam siya na parang, kinokontrol na ako nitong Cancer na to. Parang hindi pwede kasi hindi naman ako totoo sa kanya. So, parang akala mo nasa pareho kayong path na tatahakin towards building a family, home, foundation, seryosong usapan na to, seryosong relasyon. Pero yung pala sa kanya, wala lang. Laro lang to. Okay? And sa'yo is like, seryoso na talaga to. So, masakit to. Okay? Hindi ka nakakatulog sa gabi. Dito talaga. You're thinking, waiting for this person. Na-stress ka, na-obsess ka. So, hoping hindi ka sabi ko nga kanina, hindi ka nagpa-jaundice. Kasi, if ito yung nangyari sa'yo, naging ganito ka after this intimacy na nangyari sa inyo. Okay? After that temptation na nangyari sa inyo, then iniwan ka na lang niya nang ganun ka. Syempre nakakaawa talaga yun. So, hindi mahirap yun. Mas masakit yun, 'di ba? So, if nasa point na kayo ng ganitong situation, really do take care of your body. Take care of any decision, okay? Kung kayang mag-control, control. Okay? Hindi ko naman sinabi na huwag kayong magpaganon. Nakadepende naman yan sa decision ninyo. Okay? Kasi matatanda naman na tayo. Pero, isipin muna bago magpa-conceive. Kasi there is a possibility na ito yung pwede mangyari sa'yo. May iwan ka, may stress ka, magkakaroon sa'yo ng anxiety, maghihintay ka nang hindi ka sure kung babalikan ka ba niya, mamimiss mo siya, masasaktan ka. But nevertheless, nakita ko naman dito that magkakaroon pa din naman in the future, in the near future, in the future could be, ng pagbabago. Kumbaga, mababago din yung buhay mo. I don't say with him, no. With yourself, okay? With you. So, in the future, magiging matatanggap mo din to, magiging okay ka din kasi magkakaisip ka ng I need to have changes in my life. Sorry about that. I need to have changes in my life. Parang ganun. I can see here na matatanggap mo din. And feeling ko, itong person na to in the future, magpaparamdam to sa'yo ulit. Pero you will not accept this person anymore. Siguro magpaparamdam siya para maging honest sa'yo. Okay, siguro kukumustahin ka, something. Kasi parang mawawala na lang kasi to siya eh. And because may pipiliin kasi siya. So, just remember that hindi lahat ng papasok sa buhay natin is like bago pa lang. Okay? Kailangan seryosohin na natin agad. Sometimes we need to observe. Sometimes we just need to enjoy. Pero kailangan natin na isipin muna or bago tayo gumawa ng any decision in life or bago tayo mag-expect into something, make sure na nakikita mo sa taong yun na seryoso talaga siya. Like, nakikita mo from the beginning pa lang, nakikita mo na mas higit yung pagmamahal niya kaysa sa pagmamahal mo. Kasi dito Cancer, hindi man to para sa lahat ng Cancer, nakikita ko mas humigit yung pagmamahal mo sa kanya kaysa sa taong ito. Okay? Dahil sa una pa lang na pinakita niya sa'yo, sobrang parang heaven na. Kumbaga, sobrang sweet niya. Binigyan ka niya ng theme song, kinakantahan ka ba nito, and sobrang sweet niya, sobrang caring niya, baka binibigyan ka pa nito ng flowers or anything. Lahat-lahat na para makuha ka lang niya. Nung nakuha niya ng kailangan niya, nung nag-expect ka na into anything, nag-expect ka na ng something serious, doon na siya umatras. Kasi nga hindi pala siya available. Committed pala siya or baka married siya. Okay. So, nakita ko dito na one day, meron ka ding mahahanap mo din yung tamang tao para sa'yo. Pag time na makapag-decide ka na to have some changes in your life, okay? Makapag-move on. Isang araw, mahanap mo din yung true two of cups mo. Ibig sabihin, the one for you. And I can see here na mag-focus ka muna talaga into your goals, yourself, okay? Sa happiness mo, sa freedom mo, okay? How to live with full of kindness, love, compassion, not just into one person but to everyone. So, once that you will going to decide na talaga na you are going to decide na to take the leap of faith towards a new beginning of your life, and once na you already walk away from this pain and to move forward and to move on, once na nakapag-move on ka na, dito na dahan-dahan magbabago, magiging okay, magiging masaya yung buhay mo until one day mahahanap mo na yung the one for you. So, Cancer, that is my reading for you. Thank you and God bless.